to hear all 4 tires blow.
Oh my God, there she is.
She's on the deck.
It's not just a fire. What's the other battery? The black fucking coal burning power plant.
She didn't come towards the stairs, man.
She told her the car started on fire.
It was an electrical fire. But you didn't say how. The electrical did. Electrical fire.
Oh my God, that fucker is burning like a fucking big black. Did you tell her it's under control? Yeah, it's all good. We got fire extinguishers down here.
Well, we took out of the woods.
There's Kira. Yeah. Kira. No, you know what? I think it'll be okay. It'll come out. No, it'll be okay. I told her to come out. I think it'll be okay. I don't want to be here.
No, your mom was on the other side, and then whoever's in the black came out.
Oh my God. There's a car on fire right now. Hey Bob, we lost your pipe.
Call her. Call Kira.
Yeah, me and Peter are gonna head out.
I just talked to her when I was up here putting that belt on your brother's
We're
truck.
gonna go out to that bastard party a little later.
Hey, what bachelor party are you going to?
That was not a tire.
Yeah, they are tires.
Okay, you're right.
Dude, those tires were pretty mint on there.
Yeah, you could have easily got money.
I shoved the stick in that.
No.
I hear it playing. It is getting better.
It's not as dark.
Oh my God, like really?
I did not think this was going to escalate this quickly.
I knew exactly what was going to happen.
I thought it was going to burn for like maybe 10 minutes.
Are you serious? Reed, it's a car.
There's only so much fabric and tires on the fucking thing.
Well, it is burning itself out now. It's not as bad.
Hey, you got paint, you got fiber there?
It's starting to get worse.
All that shit will melt at the side now.
More down by the car.
Oh yeah, she's getting black.
Dude, Reed, this fire's gonna burn for like 3 days. Especially because there's all that wood right on it. It's gonna light that huge pile of wood on fire too. No, it's getting better.
Yeah, it was the gas tank, probably.
Because it's flame.
I expected a bigger explosion.
They won't explode too bad.
It's actually not that.
So I've seen it before several times.
Hey, look at it.
It won't explode, it'll just shoot a flame
Oh,
out.
it's getting black. The trees, it's
You shouldn't
dissipating.
be worried as long as that.
That was a big word.
Now it's smoking white. What's smoking
He's still
white in the front?
The antifreeze.
Your fan,
And you wanted to say aluminum?
your $150 fan.
If that magnesium block and the aluminum block type stuff.
Dude, I just got shards of glass in there.
I wish I could have seen it.
Oh, it was funny. Just
Totally folded, scaled on it.
Right into it.
I told him that already.
Go to the right, Reed. Oh, it looked better where it was. Go down. Then pull up the hill so he doesn't catch up to you. Just understand that.
Oh my God.
Let's get some tape.
Just strap on it.
Let's get some electrical tape.
Makes it look like bars. Look at that work going on.
Whoa! Here we go. I'm not laying off now.
You bounced 3 times. Then you came right
Had some mad suspension. Real bad.
I don't know, that's a pretty
Not
sturdy
set up for
fucking
jumping.
hook prop.
Yeah. Well, there's no
That's
shot.
all I know.
It does look cooler.
It would have been funnier if it tipped over.
It looks way cooler sitting there than it did on the hill.
You're right.
Did you say Ben on my forehead?
Did you drive that thing all the way back to Racine?
No.
Must have.